Ever wondered how to prepare a week's worth of healthy meals? Well, you're not alone. It's an art form known as meal prep, and it's a game changer for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Meal prep is a fantastic way to save both time and money. It's all about planning, shopping, cooking, and storing meals for the week ahead. This strategy can help reduce the stress of last-minute cooking and unhealthy takeout options. By preparing your meals in advance, you're in control of what goes into your food, promoting healthier eating habits. We'll guide you through the entire process, from planning diverse and delicious meals to mastering the art of grocery shopping. We'll also share some handy cooking tips and show you how to properly store your meals to keep them fresh and tasty. So, are you ready to transform your eating habits? Stay tuned to learn how. First things first, planning is key to successful meal prep. Now, let's dive into the heart of meal preparation, planning your meals. Planning is like creating a roadmap for your week's nutrition. It helps you keep track of your meals, ensuring you're getting a balanced diet filled with essential nutrients. Imagine planning a journey without a map. It's possible you'll reach your destination, but there's a high chance you'll get lost along the way. That's what happens when you don't plan your meals. You might end up eating unhealthy food, or worse, skipping meals. Now, how do we create this roadmap? Start by considering what a balanced meal looks like. It should include a healthy mix of proteins, carbohydrates, fats, and a good dose of fruits or vegetables. To keep things interesting, try to add variety to your meal plan. Experiment with different dishes, cuisines, and ingredients. One day you could have a Mediterranean-inspired lunch, and the next, a Mexican-themed dinner. This not only keeps your taste buds entertained, but also ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Planning your meals doesn't have to be a daunting task. You can use meal planning apps that make the process easier and more efficient. But if you're old school like me, just grab a pen and paper and jot down your plan. Remember, the goal is not perfection, but progress. Each meal doesn't have to be a gourmet masterpiece. It just needs to be healthy and something you look forward to eating. With a solid plan, you're one step closer to a week of healthy eating. Now that you have your plan, it's time to hit the grocery store. Grocery shopping may seem like a mundane task, but when it comes to meal prep, it's a crucial part of the process. It's where we gather our ingredients, fueling our bodies and minds for the week ahead. So, let's make it count. Start by navigating the outer aisles of the store, where you'll typically find the freshest produce, lean meats, and dairy. These sections are the cornerstone of any wholesome meal. They're full of vibrant fruits and vegetables, proteins, and essential nutrients that will form the foundation of your meal plan. But grocery shopping isn't just about what you buy, it's also about how you buy. Consider buying in bulk. It can be cost-effective, especially for non-perishable items like grains, pasta, or canned goods. This approach can save both time and money, reducing the frequency of your shopping trips and keeping your pantry well-stocked. However, as with everything, balance is key. Be mindful when purchasing perishable items. It can be tempting to stock up, especially when there's a sale, but remember, fresh food has a limited shelf life. Overbuying can lead to waste, which is neither economical nor environmentally friendly. So take a moment to review your meal plan before you shop and buy just what you need. Make a list and stick to it. This will help you stay on track, resist impulse buys, and avoid overstocking. Armed with these strategies, grocery shopping will be a breeze. Back from the store? Great! Now, let's get cooking. We've planned, we've shopped, and now it's time to bring all those delicious ingredients together. First things first, let's talk about cooking in bulk. It may sound daunting, but it's actually a fantastic time saver. By cooking large quantities of basic ingredients, like rice, quinoa, or even roasting a tray of vegetables, you're setting yourself up with versatile components that can be combined into a variety of meals throughout the week. Now, speaking of versatility, let's focus on ingredients that can be used in multiple dishes. Think about things like bell peppers, which can be a part of your breakfast omelet, a crunchy addition to your lunch salad, or a tasty stir-fry ingredient for dinner. And while we're on the topic of saving time, let's not forget about our trusty slow cooker. This kitchen wonder allows you to toss in your ingredients, set the timer, and go about your day. By the time you're done with your tasks, you'll have a hot and ready meal waiting for you. Another time-saving hack? Roasting several dishes at once. Utilize that oven space to its maximum capacity. You could be roasting vegetables on one tray, baking chicken on another, and perhaps even a casserole on the third. With these tips, you'll be a meal prep pro in no time. The cooking is done. Now, how do you store these meals? Well, we've got some tips to ensure your meals stay fresh and appealing. First off, clear containers are your best friends. They allow you to easily identify what's inside and keep your fridge organized. Portioning your meals in advance saves you time and keeps your eating habits in check. This way, when hunger strikes, you have a balanced meal ready to go. No more guesswork or overeating. Now let's talk about refrigeration. Most meals will stay fresh in the fridge for about 3 to 5 days. But if you want to extend their shelf life, consider freezing them. Meals can be safely stored in the freezer for up to 3 months. Just remember to defrost them properly before eating. Remember, proper storage isn't just about convenience. It's also about maintaining the quality and flavor of your meals. Proper storage ensures your meals stay fresh and tasty all week long. And there you have it, a week's worth of healthy meals ready to go. In the span of a few minutes, we've navigated meal planning, mastered the art of grocery shopping, cooked up a storm, and safely stored our culinary creations. Remember, variety is the spice of life, so keep it interesting with diverse dishes. The journey to health is a marathon, not a sprint, so take it one meal at a time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one.